Hey there friends, welcome to our session. Wondering what our today's topic is all about? Let me give you some hints. It is something that we get from our schools or colleges, which most of us dislike doing. We normally do it for the sake of it, that too at the last minute without actually enjoying the process. Most students consider it as a burden. Yes friends, it is homework. But in today's session, we will give you some very interesting techniques of doing homework, highlighting the importance or benefits of it, which we believe would change your perspective.
For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel Letstute Accountancy and don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates. We also provide various online courses on our website at super affordable prices. Please do check them out. Also get the privilege to become our Prime member and get access to many more benefits by just clicking the join button.
Homework actually is not a burden. It helps to know how well we have understood a particular chapter or a concept. It prepares us for any test and is a good practicing tool that ensures our improvement. It teaches us time management and prioritizing our work. It indirectly makes us self-disciplined. Well, with all these advantages, can the process be made interesting? Yes, my friends, here are 9 interesting tips to do your homework. The first step is to be prepared. Make sure you have all the study materials stationary around you. Plus, ensure that the place where you sit for doing your homework is well lit and ventilated. Keep a bottle of water and some healthy snacks handy. Allot specific time, an hour or so, just for doing homework. Balance your study time and homework time. Take breaks in between so that it does not become very stressful. Make a to-do list. The most frequent excuse we give to our teachers is, I forgot to do my homework, right? So before you start with anything, prepare a to-do list and mention the submission dates so that you know the level of priority and finish the most important ones first. Also, make a note of the subjects that you find difficult and finish them first, because the easier ones can be completed faster later. Do it in groups. If some topic is really difficult, you may take help of your friends to complete the topic. Rather than just copying it the next morning, you may discuss it and complete it together today. You may take help of your parents or any family member if you find understanding that part difficult, as they can help you do better and more efficiently. Challenge yourself. If you dislike a particular subject, then take it as a challenge and finish it the first. Delaying would lead to not doing it at the end. So no procrastinating, just do it right there, right now. Doing homework can be one way of making your own notes and practicing things. So do it wisely. Being attentive in class can help you finish the homework fast. Plus, if you get an off period in between, utilize it in finishing some of the homework so that you may save some time at home. Now, here are some subject-specific tips. While preparing for a theory subject, especially for your class test, read a concept and try to teach that topic. Later, if you're still not sure or confident, you may write them down in a notebook and check it. Now suppose your homework is some project work. Then select that topic which you are aware of or have some knowledge about. You may do thorough research on the topic from various reference sites, online and offline. Friends, don't you think that it is always better to finish our work or complete things on time than delaying it later and getting a punishment? May it be your weekend or vacation time, try doing homework systematically every day and finish it at the earliest. Do try out different ways and make the process fun. So friends, we hope that the session was useful to you and you really liked it. If yes, then please give us a thumbs up. Feel free to post your comments below and subscribe to our channel. See you soon in our next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning.